Hello guys, my name is Ashish and you are watching VA Coder. So today in this video we are going to make WhatsApp message sender. So what it basically does, as you can see here in my let me switch my workspace, and you can see that I have messaged how 50 times, 100 times I think so. So I will show you how to make this that sends automatic message, and you have to even don't type it. So the first thing you need to do is head over to a terminal, and I prefer you that you use virtual environment. Like me, I am using a virtual environment, and you have to type in pip install py auto GUI. So you have to install those modules, and it will install the pillow library. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to type sudo, and if your Windows don't type it, sudo is not for you, nor apt. It's for basically Mac users, because the module which you are installing py-auto-GUI requires Python tk and Python def module, and it not comes pre-installed with Python. So if your Windows don't do it, you are basically good to go. But if you're Linux and you have not run these commands, you can run it and solve your error. So you have to type pip install python 3 tk, and you need to install python 3 dev, those two things, and you to give your super user password, and there we go. Now exit my terminal and head over to the script. So the first thing we need to do is import py-auto-GUI, and the next thing we need to do is import time. So the time basically so that I can move to my workspace and type here, and my Python script will automatically will be sending messages after 6 seconds. So I will sleep the script for 6 seconds. So time dot sleep, and it will be 6 seconds. And the next thing we need to do is py GUI. How to have to will do it on the next. Just not like Python, they are not, and the process is story GUI. I So if you like this video, give it up, because I put a lot of work in doing that. And if you like this video, you can kindly subscribe, share the video, and if you have any doubts regarding this code, like how this works, you can comment down below. I will honestly reply you. So till then, stay tuned with me.